On where we last left off. That's gonna be a brief one. It's a little late today, and just want to get this in right before ending the day. So, what did we last leave off at? Let's see. I think when we last left off, we were adding some animation and organizing the entire layout of the small app we were using, or creating rather. So let's see what we can do. Could be a quick win for us. Let's see what we can do about that. All right. So we got the Electron app. It should be coming up here shortly here. Last we did anything. Yeah, there we go. We're up and running. We're up and running. So we need to reposition this. Let me reposition that real quick. Can I reposition it? It's not letting me. Oh, it's locked. All right. Yeah, something like that, right? Yep. So this thing is aware that I'm typing. That reminds me of something. If you noticed, it did take a bit too long to it should stop. Ideally, right? Ideally, if I'm typing something and I stop typing, it shouldn't just indefinitely stay there. Yeah, that's not right. Also, we're too wide here. We're too wide. We need to go into the Electron settings and take a look at. Yeah, I don't know. Is this it? Maybe. I don't know what to work. Matter of fact, let me not guess. And let me not guess. We're not going to be guessing. And let's set this thing. Let's see what the width is. A total of 68 pixels. Okay. Wait, what? 600. Okay. My apologies. So that ought to improve it. We may need to rerun it though. We may need to rerun the Electron app. Did not like that. I goofed something up here. What's going on? Did I goof? Oh, what the hell? Goofed that up or something? Much better. Yep. Not exactly much better. It's probably the padding that's messing with us. It's probably like 20 pixels on each side, so it's like 640 or something like that. But I wonder, like, do we need padding in this app is transparent. We don't need padding on the sides. So let's see if we can fix that. Yeah, ideally we would want to componentize the components, and we'll do that eventually. I just want to get this thing running though. Like it's exciting, just like get it working. See where we got the padding here. Interesting. I don't see any padding on the sentences. I wonder where that's coming from then. Each sentence there, margin. Oh, it's margin. Yeah, we don't need margin on the sides now. Just up and down, theoretically. And technically, I should set a. Oh, there's no wrapper class. Doesn't matter, like for us really. Actually, it does. I'm gonna wrap it. Wait, I'm surprised it's allowing that. That's funny. Shouldn't like view scream like, "Hey, I don't like this. You have multiple siblings inside the." We'll call it chatter. That's not the right name, but whatever. Who cares? Oh, my linter isn't doing his job, huh? Wonder why. That turned off. Oh, I turned this off. Is that why? Let's take a look and see. Let's goof something up real quick. Excellent. Okay, so that did fix it for us. But this is causing issues in my other dev environments. I gotta turn that off when I get a chance, or rethink that. In any case, what do we got? What do we got? Let's rerun that Electron app real quick. All right. Sorry. So it's still not right. We're still like off by a bit. It does seem like we still have like the app itself has padding. We got to get rid of that. My apologies. What in the world is wrong with me? It's got to be in general styles, but just to make sure. Okay, not in here. Right around right here. Do I need this? Not really. And this right here, we could definitely, this is where we would. Yep. Here we go. Let's see what that does to our Electron app. Well, damn it. It's Cortana garbage. Okay. Well, that's better. But it's not what ideal, but it's better. It's probably because of the little speech, little triangle thing at the end there. But it's funny. Like I feel like, yeah, that's what it is. See, or at least that's what it looks like it is. But if we have no padding, 620, man. I'm just gonna set this thing to 619. Yeah, whatever. 620. We'll go with 620. It just obviously tell it overflow hidden, which honestly, it's what I should do. Let's see where actually on the body tag. I wonder if it's on the body tag. And why the hell is this guy doing that? I don't know what the hell. Is this positioned absolutely? No. That's just odd. We're not gonna make our life miserable. We'll just keep it. For some reason, my dang, we do need to tell the body that to stop it. Unfortunately, yeah, it is what it is. Uh, we need to tell margin. We need to tell this thing margin right, something like 10 pixels or something. For some reason, I don't know why. Um, the heck is this? So is typing. Yeah, I don't know why, but it's needed. That work for us? Looks good. You know, one thing I was thinking about, I definitely need to come up with like a way to show um just a moment. I definitely need like a way to show That's too much, man. 30 pixels is too much. It needs to just be 10. Also, yeah. Is typing a sentence. Yeah. We're gonna target the first one and tell it margin top 0. Right? You have to sort of like get it to be flush up there. Do we mind? Is there anything wrong with that? How are we looking? Let me see something real quick. Where's the Electron app? Ah. We need to rerun it or something just to see. Oh my goodness. Just gotta see, you know, what it looks like. It's gonna do it again. It's still bugged out. It's still bugged here. Like, I gotta understand what the issue is between for this thing. Matter of fact, it's cutting off the top too. Man, let's get to the bottom of that. Why is it doing that? We're gonna get to the bottom of it. Screw that. Okay, so more than likely, the issue is it's our flex 620 pixels, and because it's, do we have a max width here? No. So flex grow? Is it flex? I really don't. Yeah, no, it's not. It's a div, but why doesn't it take up the full size? Does P have a maximum? Oh, it does have a max width. We need to get rid of that. That's why. Yeah, we need to get rid of that. Like, just to confirm. Yeah, we're fine. Okay, that does it. Yeah. See, I'm glad we got to the bottom of it. I knew it was something to do with that. Yeah, we don't need that. Now we should get a more organized the Electron app is going to need some sort of, like, it's going to have to be bigger than the actual app itself. Not really sure why it's rendering this way. It's rendering a bit funny. So what we want is typing margin right. We want to get rid of that. We don't want to baby this thing. Go back to the Electron app and say something like, believe it or not, it's still like too large. Mind-boggling. It's probably this right here. Maybe. Not really. Or maybe yes, really. We need to tell the app. Or we'll tell Messenger. We're gonna add it. I'm gonna add it right here. All right, that ought to do it. I'm so sorry. I keep pressing the wrong keys. I got half a mind to frickin' tell this thing 650 and screw it. The background's green anyway. Yeah, that works. All right, so where were we? All right. We need to. One thing I noticed was like if you're typing and then you stop typing, like the message stays. I feel like there needs to be a countdown or something. And I wonder how can we get that done? So, what was it? Set timeout, I'd imagine. Yeah. So, what are we doing on? So let's take a look at what we're doing. We are. Where's our input area? Okay, on the moment we handle key press, which sets each typing to true, right? But I feel like if we blur away, we're also doing if typing is true. I'm gonna have to get rid of that. Why am I doing that? That's not necessary. I feel like maybe if we blur out, it should be false, maybe. What the heck? What is that? Yeah, like if I'm typing something and I go away, like, yeah, disappear. Also,
hey, what's up?
Oops. If I'm typing something, we might want to get rid of this whole thing altogether if we're going to implement a delay and a. So every time there's a key press, set a timeout. And how many seconds later? What do you think? 5 seconds later, set this dot is typing to false. Uh, I don't know. What are your thoughts? Let's see. Test. I'm typing 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm no longer typing. I'm clearly thinking. So, about blah 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 blah. Okay. Wow, that was quick. That was too quick. So, I think I know what happened there. We started typing, and and um and we didn't throttle this. So it got started on this, and the first time there's a few ways to like handle this. We can set a variable to the time is typing timeout, right? We can set a variable to it, and every time we type, clear it, make a new one, clear it, make a new one, clear, make a new one. And so basically that refreshes the countdown. But I'm not liking the yeah, no, I have no choice, because I'm thinking maybe on blur, maybe we need to respect on blur. That's it, right? Like if you blur away, which is more than likely what is going to happen if I'm typing something and I stop, it's what's going to happen. I don't see anything else happening. Not sure. I don't know if I should go with this. This seems like an over engineering of a simple solution. Like if you continue on blur and this seems like very simple and elegant solution. If I'm typing, okay, even if I'm taking long to type because I'm thinking, cool, display it. If I hit enter, I'm gone, or at the very least, his typing message is gone. And where we should be, if I type again, we display. If I hit send, yep. All right, cool, man. Let's clean up the bottom a little bit. It's a bit hard to use. You know, it's not right. Let's clean that up a bit. No, it's a bit too unsightly. The hell? Why isn't this thing respecting? So just making this a bit more useful, more usable, you know, it's kind of hard to come in here and type these messages. What's that look like on screen? What happened to our Electron app? Oh, we're not using. Okay, sorry. I should have been testing on the Electron app. It looks like I can fit in 3 messages comfortably, and I'm cool with that. Any more than 3 messages, spam, right? Even 3 is a bit, a bit much. So starting this out a bit. Yeah. It's a lot cleaner. I don't know why it's only that wide. I gotta go look at the cheat sheet. I'm drawing a blank here. Okay. I don't think this is the solution. It couldn't possibly be. What the hell? Yeah, like it doesn't make any sense. Like, huh? Yeah. I guess if you set flex grow to something that has flex zero, grow zero, it makes sense that it would. So basically, actually, I want to actually leave it the way it was working. So we're gonna definitely just put flex grow on the input. Flex grow 1 on the input, right? That's it. Force the text field to be hella big. Let's talk to the button real quick. Let's see that button. Child. Well, I thought I enabled this. I disabled it. That's odd. Thought I enabled it. In any case, let me see something real quick. All right, cool. Yeah, it's working. So the button, I don't know. I'm just not really happy with that background. So, board button. I really don't know what to make this background. Ooh. Let's just go with white. Why is it rendering twice? What the heck? We're gonna go with font 16 on this thing here. And on the button too. Alright. They share a lot. Maybe we should make those things. What's that look like? What the heck? Gotta specify it after, just in case we want to overwrite something, right? In this case, for example, I want to add more padding on the left and the right of the button. So it's gonna be 4 pixels, 4 pixels, but on the sides maybe 6 pixels. Something. Get the button a little bit more. Also, yeah, something I like. Yeah, cursor. Yeah. Cool. Coolio. There seems to be like an outline or something, right? What is that? Is that my border? I guess it's my border. I think this border needs to be a little bit darker or non-existent. Oh, what? What was that all about? Uh, um, how did you say border none, man? What? Coolio. Yeah, it's cleaner, man. I like it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, whatever. Yes, yes. And how's that look on our Electron app? Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. We need to actually set a height to this thing because we don't really need that much. We already said that 3 messages is the limit, after which messages should vanish. Let me see something real quick, guys. So he's typing and it pops in. Damn it, I missed it. The ability to edit a message. Yeah, maybe later. Huh? It just comes in, it slides up, right? It doesn't like grow or nothing. um okay. Oh, I hope we don't get like a freaking copyright strike because of that background music on that video. Freaking YouTube. Um, I should have muted it. Whoops. So I have to somehow either erase a message when it comes in, it slides out, man, or limit the iteration to 3 on the for loop here. Not sure really. One thing I need to do real quick. These sentences have to operate inversely. They need to populate up. And so what is it? Is it flex on the? So speech is flex. So what if I did that? What's that do for us? Let's just figure it out here. So we got chatter, we got speech, and input area. I feel like, holy smokes, it's chatter. Do we have to do it too? No, crazy. That's crazy. No way. What the hell? Hmm? Yeah, no. I figured as much. This thing doesn't know what it's talking about. But I definitely thought flex end on. Let's get rid of that. Let's stop that. Let's go in here and get rid of this. We need to figure this out here in the browser. What in the world just happened? I sent over a blank message. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Prevent blank messages. Um okay, I think I understand what we need to do. We need to set a height to one of these here. Maybe to chatter. What does chatter include? Does it include the typing area? It does. So to speech then, yeah, to speech. Speech needs, I think, a minimum height. So minimum height, let's say it's 250, right? And so now let's test a message that's coming in. Okay, and now since speech is 250, like we should be able to say align items flex end. Oh, come on. Son of a gun. So that's it then. It's justify content. Okay, yeah. Thought that was backwards. Got it backwards, I guess. But that's what we want. So, yep. Yep. Okay. Uh we do need to we need to um we need to I'm sorry guys, I lost my train of thought. Where we last at? We're setting the height to the parent. Okay. We need to send over, let's see, 3 messages. 3 messages. What's the width? What's the height on that? The height is 251. Wow, that was a good guess from me. That's crazy. And we need to test what that looks like in the Electron app. Coolio. On the Electron app, it looks like. And what if I start typing? Does that fit? It doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. So we either get rid of one of these messages and only do 2 messages at a time, or we make it taller, or I feel like I don't really know. Don't really know. I'm not sure. Um, if we make it, oh my goodness. Yeah, it's that time. I gotta take it down soon. I'm going to. I'm going to make it grow, just because. Uh, wow, this song is beautiful. Um. Oh no, that's not what I meant to do. Dang. I just meant to do this. Well, excellent. See, so that's what I meant to do. And we need to see what that looks like here. What is the width of the height? 345. Okay, we can work with that. 345 on speech. Yeah, speech. Min height. What the hell am I talking about? We just set that shit to height. Beautiful. And it's like we need a clear messages button. That's a clear thing we need. We need some way to clear these messages. I hadn't thought of that. It's fine the way it is right now. We could just, keep chugging away. I do feel like 3 is too much, man. And also, I do feel like these messages need to disappear over time. Yeah, okay. So, with that being said, um, I need to figure out how we're gonna make these disappear. Like, do we want to just you see what happens when I add more than fits? Okay, I need to set like overflow hidden on this or something. Yeah, something like that. It's gonna be an issue. How the hell did 4 messages fit? You're only able to see 3 on the screen though. Wait, no, we didn't test 4 here in the app. 4 messages actually fit. Good grief. really cool. That's fine. Our message removal process will continuously remove messages. So it's just a matter of how we get that done. So when we send a message, we need to check before we push. I'm thinking, right? If this dot messages dot greater than 3, we need to this dot we need to see something here. What? Push or no pop? Like that. Pop array JavaScript. Oh no, not pop then. I forget what it is. Remove first element. Yeah. Oh, shift, that's right. Yeah. So fruits.shift. This dot messages dot shift. Really? It modifies the existing, returns the shifted. Oh, okay. It returns the shifted element, but it does modify the existing. Okay, cool. So I don't know what this thing's mad about. I'm not gonna care. So, oh wait, no, I messed up. It should be greater than somehow or equal to 3. Yeah. That's the 1. That's 2. Something I just realized when I'm sending messages, I need to, when I hit send, I need to continue, put the focus back on the input field. So now when I go to test 4, test 1 should leave, and it did. Cool. I did notice something just now though with our is it speech? Oh man, don't freaking scroll, man. Oh Lord Jesus. It's some bullshit. I'm either my brain is farting right now or I'm not sure. see. Okay. It's working as expected. Let's test it in theory here. So when I send this message, boom, 3 should disappear. Okay, cool. Yeah, next time we'll animate these messages leaving. I think 3 is too much, to be honest. I think 3 is too much. Um I think 2 should be the limit. Yeah, we have a large playground to play with where 3 messages theoretically fit, even 4. But some messages are going to be more than one liners. And so we need to give ourselves some space. 3 is too much. 3 is way too much. 1 might be enough, There might never be a reason for me to send more than one message. And boom, Bob's your freaking uncle. That's it. No more than that. And I'm cool with that. Definitely. Yeah. All right. Well, next up, we'll animate these things, messages coming, leaving, I guess. And we'll also maybe add some little pop sound when they come in, some sort of little notification sound like pop, something subtle. It can't be obnoxious. And that's it. I think after that, just a few little details, a way to clear the messages altogether. And maybe a way to edit the messages in case I put a typo in there. I don't want to clear the whole thing. We can just edit the message right live and shit. Not sure. Not sure if there's a typo. I guess I'll just delete it. Yeah, we have to animate these things coming in and out. One thing we could do real quick is tell sentences that they're supposed to be animated. And so say, for example, transition all ease in out, and then 250 milliseconds. I wonder what that'll do. Right, nothing right now. The one thing I'm noticing, it's not at the bottom anymore. Like, did we not finish that? I guess we didn't. Guess we went to speech and told it to justify content. I never told it to justify the content. Flex end. Yes. Yeah, I'm not I'm not really sure. I mean, I gotta look into this. Damn, the start menu, man. It's annoying. don't need to be all the way at the bottom for no reason. Not sure. I mean, when I understand one coming in and not being animated. Uh, when it comes in, there's no need for it to be animated. But when the second one comes in, or when I start typing, it definitely should be animated because it's moving. Let me see something real quick. Oh, see that? You saw that? So that was animated. But I guess when you just add another one, it's not really animated. I gotta take a look, guys. I gotta maybe come take a look at it. Look at it with a fresh set of eyes. I'm pretty tired right now, so I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna make this 2 seconds just to. Yeah, nah. And for those that don't know, what I just did was I added I made things take 2 seconds to animate. It's pretty smooth, nice. But yeah, no, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make that work. I don't want to use absolute positioning and stuff like that, but I know that would definitely work with animation and shit. Anyways, toodles. Until next time.